The tools you need to put one of these buildings together are ladders, tape measure, and drills. There's no cutting. Standard is 11 by 14 enclosure, has the retractable doors. The consumer can look at it and we can just start throwing options. We're gonna come over here, we're gonna add a veranda. Okay, maybe you wanna have the retractable screens, so put the retractable screens on there. Maybe I need more size. We just added a 40-inch extension. So here we have a utility room with a living area and a screened-in porch. That's what we've created. We've done that in less than 60 seconds. Consumer wants to see how it works, we hit the open, and this will give them a demonstration that it's an open and closing roof. Now we can go over here, we can do an add-on. So we just add on an 11 by 11 extension open. Then we could say, well, let's throw some options and see whether you want that enclosed or screens. So they can click on the building and we'll add the retractable screens. So very quickly, we're expanding and contracting and adding and subtracting options, showing the consumer what they can have, and we're visualizing it. We hit the augmented reality, it'll give them the QR code. They can take their phone, scan that QR code, and take that structure that they say they like and go and project that into their backyard. They can sit back and say, I want it there. They can walk up to it and walk around and look inside it is what they can do. We also have a secondary model called a Duke. Now the Duke is a single slope, solid, non-opening roof. So with this one, we have the abilities to create a real pool house. We can add and subtract, make the building longer or shorter. It's on a 6x6, a hook rest on there. And then we also have a backrest option, so you can put it in different positions and you can turn it into a lounger. So now we're just gonna turn that into a lounger. Okay, so you can use that tool to help the customer visualize what they can do with the product. There it is in a nutshell.